Watching YouTube on your TV gives you the same YouTube experience you know and love, but on a bigger screen. When signed into YouTube on a smart TV, streaming device, or gaming console, you have access to all your favorite videos and channels with many of the same search and watch features you have on your personal device. Let's walk through how to use YouTube on your TV, how to sign in, how to navigate the app, and how to connect and pair your other devices to your TV. First, how can you use YouTube on your TV? There are two main options. First, the YouTube app may already be included when you purchase your device and can be found in the app library. If you don't see the app, use your device's app store to download YouTube. Second, you can cast, pair, or link to your TV from your mobile device. This option lets you use your phone or tablet as a remote. Now let's go over the 3 ways to sign into your YouTube account on your TV. You can add your account through the YouTube app when you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. The second way is to use a code generated from your TV that you can either scan or type into your device. And the third way is by using your TV remote to input your account information. To start, click Sign In the top left corner of the screen. To sign in using your YouTube app, make sure you have the YouTube app open on your mobile device, you're logged into the right account, and that you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. On your phone, a pop-up will appear prompting you to sign into your smart TV device. Click Connect. Next, you'll be asked to connect YouTube on TV to your device. Double check that this is the Google account you'd like to use on your smart TV and complete the process. If you're signing in by using a code on your TV screen, scan the QR code on the screen using your mobile device and make sure the code that appears on your mobile device matches the one on your TV. Then tap Continue. Or go to youtube.com/activate and enter the code on your screen on your mobile device or web browser. Then click Continue. Next, choose the account you want to sign into. Then select Allow to connect your device. Finally, you can sign into YouTube on your TV by inputting your Gmail address associated with the YouTube account and the password using your remote control. Whether you sign into YouTube through your TV or use a device to connect, your YouTube on TV experience will be the same. While signed in, you can find content to watch using the search function, home and subscription tabs, or the watch page. You'll also be able to access your content library to view your history, primetime channels, movie and show purchases, and playlists. And you can even add videos to the playlist you've already created on other devices. With YouTube on your TV, you can also sign into multiple accounts. Use a guest account, which lets you use YouTube on your TV while signed out, and any content you watch while signed out won't affect your signed-in account's recommendations. Or add a YouTube Kids account, or create a YouTube Kids guest profile. Let's walk through how to add another account on your TV. First, go to the left-hand navigation. At the top, select your profile picture. Then, within the Accounts tab, select the type of account you'd like to add. Follow the instructions to add an account. To remove an account from your streaming device, select the account you'd like to remove. Next, click the gear icon under the profile and click Remove Account. Follow the instructions to complete the process. To learn more about the YouTube app on your TV, check out the article in the description. Thanks for watching.